Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can design forms in the Wpforms plugin for WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, as the name itself says, of course, it is a plugin used to create custom forms, which is more encompassing than the native form builder in WordPress, and I do recommend you check it out. If you have the business plan or hire on WordPress, you can add the plugin for free from the marketplace, and then you can edit your forms. Now, I sadly do not have the business plan or hire, so I will need to refer to some screenshots to show you guys how to actually design the forms. And once you do install and activate the plugin, you can go into all forms and edit forms that already exist if you already have some, and if you don't, just go into add new, and then you'll be asked to select a template. Now you can select a template for whichever purpose you need, and that can be pretty much it. You can use that and you won't need to use anything else. Of course, you can customize the settings and everything else, not only the appearance, but just choose the form template that works best for you, and then you'll go ahead and get into the dashboard for editing. Now, as you can see to the left, you see the sidebar with tabs which you can open, and usually you just go into the fields tab and then go ahead and add all the fields that you need, edit them, and then that should be it. You can also manage the settings, which include the general settings, the notification settings, and the confirmation settings. And once that's done, all you have to do is save that form. Now, to actually upload it onto your site, just go into one of your pages, add a block by using the plus in the top left, select or search for Wpforms, which has this bear as the main icon. Then from the drop down menu, select the form you want to use, and then just save or publish your page. And once you do, your form will be live on your site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.